Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to lock the journal app in iPhone iOS 17. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, scroll down little bit and tap Journal. Here you will see Lock Journal. Lock your journal using the device passcode or Face ID. Tap Lock Journal. Now enter your iPhone passcode to confirm it's you. Simply turn on lock button. To customize how long it takes to require a passcode again, tap require passcode. Select a time that feels appropriate to you. For instance, select immediately. Immediately will require a passcode every time you close the app. Go back to settings and close Settings app. Now you will need to use the passcode on your iPhone or Face ID to access the Journal app. So these are the steps to lock Journal app in iPhone iOS 17. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.